Welcome to our guide on performing a works vehicle inspection in the UK. From lights and tyres to fluids and safety gear, we'll walk you through each step so you can stay safe, legal and confident on the road. In the app or form, begin by filling in your vehicle registration, your name and the current odometer reading. Make sure the car is parked on level ground with the engine off so you can get accurate readings, especially when checking fluids. Engine fluids should also be allowed to cool. Walk around the vehicle and confirm that all exterior lights and indicators are working. Check the body for dents, scratches or loose panels and ensure windscreens and windows are clear of cracks or chips. Don't forget to inspect your mirrors for damage and proper alignment. Inside the car, turn the ignition on and watch for dashboard warnings. Test the horn, steering, brakes and handbrake. If the brake pedal feels spongy or a warning light stays on, note it and arrange for further inspection. Make sure your heating and defrost settings also work, as clear visibility is crucial on UK roads. Open the bonnet and check the engine oil by removing and wiping the dipstick, then reinserting it to confirm the level is between min and max. Inspect the coolant reservoir to ensure it's topped up correctly and check the brake fluid level. If you have power steering fluid, check that too. Lastly, fill the screen wash reservoir, as it's illegal to drive with no washer fluid in the UK. It's important the correct fluids are used. If in doubt, ask. Verify each tyre's pressure against the recommended levels found in the handbook or driver's door frame. For tread depth, remember the UK legal minimum is 1.6 millimeters. The tread should be thicker than the indicator tabs. You can use a 20p coin as a quick guide, and if you see the coin's outer rim, the tread may be too low. Inspect for any bulges, cuts or cracks. Don't forget to check the spare if your car has one. Check that your jack and spare wheel or tyre repair kit are present and serviceable. If you keep a first aid kit or fire extinguisher, verify they're in good condition. While not legally required, a warning triangle and high-vis clothing are strongly recommended in case of breakdowns, especially on motorways. Record any unusual dashboard lights, sounds or damage in the notes section of your form or app and attach photos if required. This helps your team or mechanic address potential problems quickly. Finally, sign and date your inspection and submit or store it as instructed by your manager for personal record keeping. By following these steps, covering everything from visual checks and operational tests to fluids, tyres and safety gear, you'll help ensure you and other road users stay safe. Regular inspections also keep you on the right side of UK law. Thanks for watching and drive with confidence.